In this lecture we continue to create a mold for part, because we have a create mold for sand core like we see, but I want to show because I want to move this body, because I move it because I want to have it in the same file both now, and we can continue. We can see we can open more, and we have we want to create a mold for body, but we need to go create a sketch first. We have created a sketch with a dimension, and after that we go with the extrude. But when we go with the extrude, we go with the two different body, and we have it merge, because we need to have a two body, and also we have another body, and after that we continue to create a indented. You can see inside. We made some fillet, because when we want to machine it, in here in another way. I want to show, because we need to have it in both sides. When we want to machine it, we need to have a radius here, because we can't machine it without radius, and it's easier when we leave a radius for machine it, and also here. But we need to create in both sides. We need to create also in another side. We need to have it here, and also and here we can leave it, or because we can machine it like that, but not here. And also we need to have it in this area. We go same in another. We have 4 pieces in one casting, 2 pieces, but it's 4. We need to have it in 4, because one here, because we have 2 pieces in one casting. And also in this side. And we have created, and we can rebuild and save. Be careful, every time when you want to save, it's better you rebuild, because if we make some mistake and you save it, you can't go back. But I want to show one thing. If we make some mistake, for example, I delete, not that, but I can delete this and say okay, we can have some error, yeah, like we have it now. And when we have error, and for example we have saved it, and when we want to go back, it's impossible. Only it's one way. If you don't save, you can go file, reload, and we go back and lost save it. Every time when you want to save it something, go reload, check if you have some error or no, and continue. And also here we need to have and here also we can create it. And we have created. And also we need to create but it's in another side. I want to show in another side because we need to have it for when we create, we need to have a gas go out. It's in another. You can see here because when we cast it, we need to have a gas go out, and we have create like that. And here when we cast it, gas go out, and also in this area gas go out. And radius here. We need to go, I have connect for both this to go out and also this here. And this fillet is because we have created, but we can delete this because we have created it missing because we created before. And this it was a revolved because in which area we want to cut. Now we have not complete, but we are close to finish our project, and also we need to have it injector pin, linear, but I want to show in which area we want to have injector pin, and also a linear we know should be here and here, and injector plate. But before we start, it's better we control in which side we want to stop piece, and also it's the pan geometry because we see here, and we have changed the draft a little in this part. I want to show. And we can go and control the draft analysis. We control draft analysis again and see. And calculate, but plan we need to select plan and draft analysis. Here we have a 5 and we have 8, and in this side it's stuck piece. We have 4 and we have 5, and I leave to stop in this area. And now we know because when we create an injector pin, because it's a piece, it looks like a symmetric, and it's sometimes we are not sure in which side it's stuck. And we leave a different draft here with here, and also a different here draft, and also we have more material here, and it's stuck in another side. And in another side we need to have injector pin. But when you create it, because I want to only show, and I can leave to you to create injector pin, linear, and back pin, because back pin we can have it one pin here, and also we can have it one pin here, we can have it one more and one more back pin. It's enough with that pin. And injector pin, one here one here, one here, one here. And also we can have it 1, 2, 3, but in that runner system we can have a pin to push out in that side. And we need also a pin for orientation mold. We can have it one here, and also this depends in which place we want it. If we want it, we can have it let's move a little and have it one here. And it's no problem with the 3, because with the 3 it's enough for orientation mold. And we are complete all of our mold, this mold. But I leave like that, and you can continue, and we can, if you have some problem to create pin, or you can write email, and I can control and see it's everything is correct, because now floating we have. And also when you create here, it was 80, I think it's 80. Don't leave too thin, because when it's hot material it can be bended, and it's better to have more material.